Reading. How many syllables is there? The purpose of opportunity culture is to grow teachers faster, to have good, high quality teachers, coach other teachers.
13.
Dangerous games.
As an MCL, I am in charge of my grade level. Right now, I'm over 4 other teachers that I help grow. I have a teacher resident who is an intern from Tarleton.
It's given me the option to be here throughout the whole entire year from start to end. It gives me basically a year advantage whenever I get into a teaching setting. I'll basically have all of the elements I need to start my own classroom setting.
It allows each teacher to receive training, individualized feedback, and coaching more frequently and more often so that way they can see results faster.
It's amazing. I love the opportunity I get to experience this throughout the entire year from start to finish with the students.
I'm getting to grow other teachers so they get to benefit. You know, a first year teacher gets to see a coach, you know, it can be multiple times a week, whereas before they might not have had that opportunity.
It's very gratifying seeing the difference and the changes that I can see throughout the year and helping them learn new skills that can be foundations for whenever they go to different grade levels.
It increases our scores, our data improves because as the teachers improve, the students do. I really do believe in this initiative and this program because you can just tell how much their impact, you know, is reaching others.
Okay, Jimena, you can get the last 2 paragraphs.
So this is our first year with Opportunity Culture. There's 5 campuses that are piloting the program, and I think we're seeing great success throughout the district.